On December 11th, 2018, I posted my very first video called Clickbank Journey to $1,000 per day. And ever since then, y'all seen me posting Clickbank content, showing y'all how much money I made, what products I was selling, and even doing some Clickbank challenges. But lately, I haven't. And there's a reason for that. Today, I will be exposing why I don't do Clickbank affiliate marketing anymore and what I'm doing now that's making me thousands of dollars every single month. Y'all know I gotta keep it real with y'all. For the coach. Let's get it. So the first reason why I don't do Clickbank affiliate marketing anymore is because it's oversaturated. Man, I remember the times where barely anybody knew about Clickbank. The times where all you had to do was throw up a Facebook group post and make a couple $100s a day in free traffic. But y'all don't know nothing about that. But because Clickbank is free to sign up, anybody could get started with it, which is a blessing and a curse. It's a blessing because people that came from nothing like me could get started with it. But it's also a curse because there's no barrier to entry, right? So that means anybody and their mama could do it. And when there's too many people doing one thing, it becomes hard to see profit with it. And this is coming from someone that has made hundreds of Clickbank videos and made 6 figures doing it. So as Clickbank grew in popularity, more and more people hopped on the train, especially in the spirituality niche. Matter of fact, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm on Instagram, right? And we just gonna type in law of attraction real quick. Let's see, let's click on this page for example. So it doesn't look like they doing a Clickbank product, but I'm telling you, most of these pages are promoting Clickbank products. So let's see about this one real quick. Let's see what they promoting. Well, switch. This seemed like it could be a Clickbank product. Let me see real quick. Let me scroll down. Let's see. Click the order. Let's see, yup. Like I said, this is a Clickbank product. Here's another page promoting the same exact offer. Here's another page promoting the free numerology readings on Clickbank. And another one. You get the point. Clickbank is just way too oversaturated right now. The second reason is because of the products and refunds on Clickbank. If I'm gonna keep it a buck with you, Clickbank is not known for their products. So there will be refunds. Lots of them. And when you're doing affiliate marketing, every dollar matters. So them refunds, they start to cut into your profit. I remember when I first started Clickbank, right? I didn't know how to find the best products because I was new to it and there was really no YouTube videos on it. So I just picked out any product that I thought looked good. So I found one, right? And it was called Fat Diminisher or something like that. It was a weight loss product. I started running traffic to it, promoting it for weeks. And I didn't make any sales for weeks promoting that product. But one day, I made like $200 in a day from that product. Keep in mind, I was still a beginner, so that was a big deal to me at the time. So you know, I went crazy that night. But about 2 days later, I seen that they refunded all of it.
Delete all that shit!
I was hurt, man. But look, make sure you're doing your research before you go promoting a product on there. And I know you're probably wondering what were my top 2 products on Clickbank from all my sales and everything like that. I would say my top 2 were the free numerology readings and 15-minute manifestation. Third reason on why I stopped doing Clickbank is because you do not own the products that you're promoting. You're spending all the money, getting all the traffic, but only getting a 30% commission. Product owners are getting 70% commission without doing any work. That just don't sit right with me. Plus, this ties into the refunds, right? Because you don't own the product, you can't control the customer experience. So that's gonna result in more refunds. So lately, I just been taking matters into my own hands and building real brands. Y'all know I got an app coming out very soon, so stay tuned for that. And I also been focusing heavy on Instagram to make me thousands of dollars every single month. Y'all see I got the Black Hustlers Club, which is almost at 500K for the culture. And I also got Save Money by Black, which is at 135K. And I'm also in the process of buying a whole nother page, but I'm gonna save that for a later video. And if you're interested in learning my exact strategies on how I took my pages from 0 to where they are now to 500K, 135K, I grew multiple pages to over 100K followers. Click the link in my description below. I'm offering the IG Hustlers Academy for only $100 for the next 100 people, so don't miss out. But Instagram is on the come up right now. There's so many different ways to monetize your page. We got drop shipping, affiliate marketing, merch, going live, selling your own products and services. The list goes on and on. So that's where my main focus is right now, just building real brands in my app, because the possibilities are endless when you build a real brand. And if you're new to Instagram, you don't know how to grow a page, or you have a page but you've been struggling, here are a couple tips to help you out. Number one, use hashtags. Hashtags are extremely important so that you can get seen by new people. And for this, I'm gonna actually show you guys proof. I'm gonna take you guys inside one of my Instagram accounts and show you guys how effective hashtags really are. All right, so I'm on one of my Instagram pages, right? We on the Black Hustlers Club. And if you're not following this page, make sure y'all go follow this page. But I'm gonna show you guys a post from 1 day ago. As you can see, this post got almost 25K likes, right? And if we go to the view insights, we can see that it got 20,000 impressions from hashtags alone. Just from hashtags, it got 20,000 impressions. So that goes to show you that hashtags are effective. If I didn't have hashtags on this post, that's missing out on 20,000 impressions. But let's look at my top performing posts for the whole year so you can see how those posts and hashtags go hand in hand, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my insights, and then I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna go to my posts, and we're gonna see my top performing posts of the whole year. So this right here is my best post from the last 6 months with 311K impressions. And as you can see in the insights, it says 22,000 impressions from hashtags alone. Hashtags are crazy, man. Let's actually go to another one. This one right here, 16,000 impressions from hashtags. So you get the point. Hashtags are extremely effective. Number two, post consistently. When it comes to Instagram, you gotta be posting every single day. I see this all the time with people just starting off with Instagram. They'll post once a day or something like that. Nah, you gotta be going hard with Instagram, especially in the beginning because nobody knows you, right? So this is where the first one would come into play too, with hashtags. If you use hashtags and post every single day, multiple times a day, my recommendation is 3 to 5 times a day, at least 3 to 5 times a day in the beginning. Do not do once a day. Don't do once every other day or something like that. Do 3 to 5 times a day in the beginning so you can get seen by new people. And then you're gonna add hashtags to your post as well, so the algorithm will start pushing you more. If you look at some of the top pages on Instagram, they all post multiple times a day. Like Just a Little Boy, Hoodville, they post multiple times a day on their page. So you wanna be doing the same thing. And if you're confused or you're not sure about what to post on your page, all you really have to do is look at other pages in your niche, right? So let's say you're in the weight loss niche. What you wanna do is type in things like weight loss, healthy lifestyle, just things related to your niche, right? And then you're gonna find the top pages in your niche. You wanna look at the content that they're posting, and then you wanna just post something similar to that on your page. And then after a while, once you be consistent, you'll start to realize what posts are gonna hit and what posts aren't. And then you can start getting into making your own branded content. So number one is use hashtags. Number two is post consistently. And then the third tip I have for y'all is to have a clear theme for your page. Going back to my page, right? The reason why my page grew so fast is because I had a clear theme for my page, right? And you can see in the bio, it says motivation for the hustlers. So I'm going after the hustlers. And every single post on my page is related to hustling, business, money, something of that nature. So you want to be doing the same thing. If you're in the spirituality niche, you don't want to be posting health and fitness content. You don't want to be posting motivational posts or anything like that. You want to stick to your niche and you want to stick to the theme of your page. So when people come to your page, they should be able to clearly see who this page is for, what you do, and all of that good stuff. And then your post should be in alignment with that message. So that's exactly why I don't do clickbank affiliate marketing anymore. Now I will say, if you're a beginner, you don't really know what you're doing with making money online yet, I would say clickbank is a great option for you. That's how I got my start. It'll always have my heart. I made thousands upon thousands of dollars doing it, but at a certain point you gotta evolve. But I hope that you got value out of this video. If you did, drop a like on it, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. For the culture. And I'm out, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one.